Students, in this video I am going to show you how to submit an assignment in a class notebook. So first of all, to open an assignment, we'll go in the general channel of your team, click on more and then go to the assignments tab. Once you open the assignments tab, it will show you all the assignments which have been assigned. So for example, I am taking the maths assignment. Once this assignment opens, please read the instructions carefully and then click on the file which is attached in my work. So I'll click on it. As soon as the assignment opens, you will be able to see that it is a part of your notebook. Now once the assignment opens, you have two parts in the assignment. The first one is objective, the second one is subjective. To go to the objective questions, you have to click on this link of the form, because this is very similar to your PT1 exam. So just select that Microsoft form and click on open link. Once you click on open link, it will take you to the Google Chrome. Now when you open this, it might happen that it will ask you for the login and password. So you have to enter the same username and password which you enter in MS Teams. Once you enter, then this page will open directly, and then you have to attempt all the questions and then click on submit. Once you do this, you have to go back to your notebook and then you will attempt the subjective part. In the subjective part, you need to attach the pictures of the answers in a proper sequence. For example, there are 3 subjective questions, question number 8, question number 9 and 10. So please give a page number to all the questions and then attach them in the same sequence. Now how to attach? You have to simply click anywhere on the screen and then you will get this option of camera at the bottom. Now once you click on this option of camera, you have to select it and it will open the camera of your phone. Now as soon as you open it, you can simply click a photograph, and then if you want, you can crop it so that the unnecessary part moves out, or if you don't want to do any such thing, you can just confirm it. Done. Once you do done, the photo will be attached on your screen. I'm currently erasing it as I don't need it. So just to delete, you have to select it and click on delete. Now as this child has already attached the pictures, now what I'll do is I'll simply close it. Once you click on close, you can go back to the MS Teams screen again, and the final step of submission is that you have to click on hand in. If you don't click on hand in, that means your assignment is not submitted yet. So the final step is hand in. Once you click on this hand in, now your assignment is submitted. So after this, you can say yes, the work has been done as well as submitted.